if somebody's concerned about certain ETFs being exposed to things they don't want to invest in, let's say like weapons manufacturing, um, wars, things that are undesirable, is that something that Questwealth covers in different kinds of portfolios? Are there different portfolios available to us that, maybe don't want to invest in these companies, don't want to invest in these less desirable sectors?
Yes, we do offer something called socially responsible investing portfolios, SRI portfolios. So what we do is we look at the ESG scores and also the different socially responsible index numbers. And then we look at also the ETF that are available out there. And then we basically handpick the ETF that would meet the criteria that we preset to construct a portfolio that would have, it's not going to be 100% no weapons or no tobaccos, but it's going to minimize that exposure for you. Therefore, you can invest while keeping your values and what investing for what actually matters for the next generations.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Ben. And if anyone's ever curious on what each portfolio holds, if you go to questrade.com under Questwealth portfolios, you can see exactly which ETFs are in, let's say, our conservative SRI portfolio versus the aggressive non-SRI portfolio. So full transparency. Yeah, and that way you can kind of be a better informed investor even before you put your money to work.
Let me just quickly add on, like, because there are so many ETFs available in Canada and US. In Canada, there are over 1,000, and in United States, there are over 2,000. So it is difficult to pick, and that's where we come in. We do all the hard working for you, whether it's the currency market, and then we handpick the ETFs that we feel that is best for our customers, and we construct that portfolio for you.